Welcome to Crown Sydney, one of the most luxurious and striking hotels in Australia. Rising above Barangaroo, this incredible tower has redefined the Sydney skyline, and today we're taking you inside to see what it's like to stay here. The experience begins as soon as you walk through the doors. The lobby sets the tone with sleek architecture, elegant finishes, and service that makes you feel looked after from the very first moment. Now, let's head upstairs to the Opera Twin Room, one of Crown's beautifully designed spaces that combines comfort with breathtaking views of Sydney Harbour. As you step inside, the first thing you notice is the sense of space and light. The floor-to-ceiling windows flood the room with natural light. There's warm tones and thoughtful design, which creates a calm, inviting atmosphere. This room features 2 plush twin beds, perfect for a family like mine, and the bedding is crisp, comfortable, and I can tell you what, it promises a great night's sleep, and a great night's sleep is definitely what I had. There's also a stylish seating area where you can relax with a coffee, as well as a desk setup if you need to get some work done during your stay. Everything is designed with both comfort and practicality in mind. But of course, it's the view that steals the show. From here, you can look out over Barangaroo and even across to the Sydney Opera House and the city skyline. It's the kind of view that it constantly reminds you you're in one of the most iconic cities in the world. The room also comes with thoughtful touches throughout, from a fully stocked minibar to modern lighting and in-room technology that lets you set the mood exactly how you like it. The bathroom continues a sense of luxury with beautiful marble finishes, twin vanities, a large walk-in shower, and a deep soaking tub where you can unwind at the end of the day. Premium amenities are all included, adding that extra touch of indulgence. From its refined interiors to its world-class views, the Opera Twin Room at Crown Sydney delivers an unforgettable experience. Whether you're here for a special occasion, a weekend escape like we were, or just to indulge in Sydney's finest hotel, this is a stay you won't regret.